Good morning all. Myself M. Ratnachari, Assistant Professor in KG Reddy Engineering College of Engineering and Technology. So today we are going to solve one problem, estimating and costing problem. So by using the long wall short wall method, so we are going to find out the single roomed building. So we will estimate quantities of excavation, concrete in foundation, so lime concrete in foundation, brickwork, and below the substructure and above the substructure we will find the quantities. So by using long wall short wall method we will solve the problem. So before going to solve two diagrams are more important for this problem. To solve the problem, these two diagrams are very important. Without these two diagrams we can't solve the problem. So one is plan U, that is the nothing but that is top view of the plan, and one more diagram is cross sectional view of the structure. So on the diagram we can observe that entire cross section of the structure. So in the diagrams he will mention dimensions of every particular of items. So observe once. Right. So these are the two diagrams. So this one is plan view. This is a single roomed building. So this is the cross sectional view of that structure. So in this diagram he mentioned that so many dimensions. So this dotted block is known as the concrete lime concrete in foundation, and the width of the excavation is 80 centimeters. And here mentioned that this one is the 70 centimeter is the first footing, and 60 centimeter is the second footing, and 40 centimeter is the plinth wall, and this GL represents the ground level. So this one is the below the ground level and this one is the above the ground level. So above the ground level we will call it as superstructure, and below the ground level we will call it as substructure. So this above the ground level is the brickwork in superstructure. So 30 centimeters is there, and height of the brickwork is, he mentioned that 3.20 meters. So and here mentioned that 20 centimeters for the lime concrete work and 70 centimeters and 10 centimeters height for the first footing, 10 centimeters height for the second footing, and 40 centimeters height for the plinth. So by taking these measurements and values, we can find the quantity of measurements. So I will for finding these quantities we need one format. So in that format we will going to find out the solution. So first I will draw the format. Right. So this one is the format to find out the solution. So there are two methods to find this problem. So one is long wall short wall method and another one is center line method. So now in this problem we are going to use long wall short wall method. So what is the main difference between the long wall short wall method and center line method means? So in the long wall short wall method we will consider each individual walls, right? For example, see this diagram. So these are the walls, right? Four sides are having four walls. So in these walls, so there are two different dimensions. I mentioned that. So one wall is having the 5 meters and one wall is having the 4 meters. So which one is small wall? So 4 meter is the small wall. So the small wall we will consider as a short wall, and 5 centimeter we will consider as a long wall. So in this, so there are, this one is the one long wall and this one is the another long wall. So in this diagram there are two long walls, and here is one short wall and here also one short wall. So there is two short walls in this diagram. So two long walls are there and two short walls are there. So why I am mentioning this number of walls means because we are using the long wall short wall method. That's why we are taking individual walls, right? If we are using center line method, so we can take entire center length of the structure. So now we are using center long wall short wall method. That's why we are calculating individual. So before going to start the problem, so first of all we need to find out the center to center length of long wall and center to center length of short wall, right? So this is the first step when we are going to solve the problem, right? So this is the long wall. Now we are going to find out the center to center length of long wall. So see, this is the center point for this wall, long wall, and this is the center point for this long wall. So now we are going to find out this length from here to here, right? From here to here we are going to find out the distance. So that is the center to center length of long wall. So how we will find, see, just observe here. So the inner dimension of the long wall is, he mentioned that 5 meters, right? So what is the wall thickness? 30. So just we are going to find out just this half distance. So that is a 15 centimeters from here to here, that is a 15 centimeters. Same here also, from here to here the distance is 15 centimeters. So 15 centimeters plus 15 centimeters, that is a 30 centimeters. So convert into the meters. So it will becomes to the 0.3. So what is the total distance from here to here? 5 meters plus 0.3, 5.3. So 5.30 meter is the center to center length for the long wall. Same as usual we need to find out from the short wall. Same, this is the center point for the short wall, and here also one center point from this wall. So we need to find out from this corner to this point to this point. So what is the distance here? Same. So that is the inner length is, he mentioned that 4 meters, and this 15 centimeters here and 15 centimeters. So total is 30 centimeters. Convert into the meters. So it will becomes to 0.3. So 4 meters plus 0.3, 4.3 meters. So this is the first step when we are going to start the problem. So this is the first step. We need to find out center to center length of long wall and center to center length of short wall. So after finding this, so we will start the problem. So in the first number one is, we need to find out the earthwork in excavation in foundation. Right. So first one is the earthwork in excavation in foundation. So now we are going to find out that total entire excavation for this structure. So we are going to use long wall short wall method, right? We are using long wall short wall method. So now we will mention how many long walls are there and how many short walls are there. So in these long walls, so long walls are how many are there? 2 long walls. One is here and another one is here. So there are 2 long walls. So mention here 2 long walls. And same short walls. Short walls also same. So this is the one short wall and this is the another short wall. So there are 2 short walls. So now the next step is length. We are going to find out the excavation in long wall from one corner to another corner, right? For example, just imagine this diagram. So so this is the excavation. When we completed the excavation entire the structure like this, if you observe from the top view, we will see like this. So the width of the excavation already he mentioned that 80 centimeters, right? So just imagine it is 80 centimeters. So after the excavation, we are observing from the top view, right? We will observe like this. So now we are going to find out entire excavation of this quantity. So this is the long wall. From this corner to this corner, we are going to find out the excavation in long wall. So how we will find? By taking the center to center length of long wall. So already we know that center to center length is having the 5.3. So the total width of excavation is how much? 80 centimeters. So what is the remaining half here? How much? And here also remaining half. So total width of the excavation is 80 centimeters. So from center to this center to this center, we know that 5.3. And what is the half portion? It will becomes to 40 centimeters. Total width is 80. Half means 40. So this portion is having the 40 centimeters. Here also having the 40 centimeters. So 40 plus 40, 80 centimeters. So convert into the meters, that is a 0.8. So the center to center, so I will make CC, a center to center length of long wall, So how we will find? That is the center to center length of the long wall is 5.3 plus this portion is having the 0.4. Again this portion is having, so that is also 0.4. So the total is how much? 6.1 meter, right? 6.1 meter is the total length from this corner to this corner. So this is the long wall excavation of the one side. So 6.10 meter. 6.10 meter is the excavation for the long wall side. So what about short wall side? So just observe this diagram. We excavated up to here, right? we excavated already this portion. So this portion already completed the excavation. So now what is the center to center length of short wall? So center to center length of short wall. So center to center length of short wall is, we found that 4.3, right? 4.3 meters. And listen carefully here. So in the long wall we added 0.4 and 0.4 because of this additional length. Now this portion is completely excavated. This portion is totally excavated. So the center to center length of short wall is, we know that is the 4.3. Already this portion is excavated in the long wall, right? So already this portion 0.4 and 0.4 is already, this half portion is excavated in the long wall. So if we do the again excavation, it will be double excavation, right? So we will get the wrong quantity. So for that, in the short wall we will do the minus for this half portion and for this half portion. So then automatically we will get the exact quantity. So what is this half portion? Already this half portion is excavated in the long wall. So what is the distance here? This one from half to, so total is 80, total width is 80, total width of excavation is 80. So half means 40, 0.4, and here also 0.4. So this 0.4 and 0.4 total is 0.8 we will deduct from the center to center length of the short wall. So 0.4 again minus 0.4. So we will get the total is 3.3 meters. 3.3 meters, right? So now, not 3.3, no, it's a 3.5. Okay. Now, so this is the length for the long wall short wall excavation, and this is the length for the long wall excavation. So that is a 3.5 meter or 3.5 meter. So now the width of the excavation, So already in this diagram he mentioned that the width is 80 centimeters. So this is the width of the excavation. So the width of the excavation is 80 centimeters. So convert into the meters. So it will be 0.8 meters. Here also 0.8 meters. So now, so this is height or depth. So excavation means we are digging the soil from ground level. So it is definitely having the depth only, right? So now we are going to find out the depth of the excavation. So generally we will excavate from ground level, right? So see, this GL is the ground level. From ground level to bottom of the excavation we need to find out the length, right? From ground level to bottom of the excavation, right? So we need to find out this height. So how we will find? By adding this total, right, from plinth, first footing, second footing, and lime concrete. By adding this by adding this all, we can get the total depth of the excavation. So 40 plus 10 plus 10 plus 20. So 40 plus 40, total is 80 centimeters is the excavation. 80 centimeter is the depth of the excavation. So convert into the meters, we will get 0.8 meters, same 0.8 meters. So now how we will get quantity? So by multiplying these 4 numbers into length into breadth into depth. So by multiplying these 4 we will get the quantity. So see, we will see the how much quantity it is by calculating